When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, device resets are often the solution. The first step is performing a soft reset of your Xfinity cable box. To perform a soft reset, simply unplug the power cable from your Xfinity cable box and wait exactly 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This soft reset clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection between your cable box and TV. It resolves many audio issues without losing your settings. If a soft reset doesn't work, try a system refresh through the Xfinity My Account app or website. This sends a refresh signal directly to your cable box. The system refresh takes about 2 to 3 minutes and will restart your cable box automatically. This method resolves connection and software-related audio problems. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. However, this will erase all your settings and require complete reconfiguration of your cable box. For soundbar setups, optimal audio performance comes from connecting your cable box directly to the soundbar via HDMI, then using HDMI ARC to connect the soundbar to your TV. This direct connection method eliminates audio delay and ensures the highest quality sound transmission from your Xfinity cable box to your sound system. According to recent data, 23% of audio issues are resolved through audio format adjustments, while 9% require device resets or firmware updates. Looking ahead, Xfinity is implementing AI-powered diagnostics that can predict and prevent audio issues before they occur, making troubleshooting even more efficient. These advanced reset procedures and solutions provide multiple pathways to restore audio functionality when standard troubleshooting methods aren't sufficient.